Hey America, it's Christian. This video is gonna be more of an install video. So I'm gonna kind of take the reins on this one versus that other ugly dude who's usually doing it. Okay, so I finally got a rooftop tent. Nick ended up getting a XL Smittyville because he's got a bigger family and they actually camp with him.
He's a peasant.
Okay, so I'm gonna put his used one on mine, and I got the CBI Overlander rails. We're gonna see how these work. And I got the Total Chaos bed stiffeners because Tacomas have composite beds, and it's just better to put those in so that it don't sway and you can't like do things like shut your tailgate when you're done. So yeah, this is gonna be kind of an install one. Anything to add? Okay, all right. That's Miles.
So they don't know who Miles is. This is my best friend Miles.
Hi everybody.
He drives this 2023 Nissan Pro 4X Frontier. Because we're all losers, he's got a tent already and a rack that we put on. How do you like the Pro 4X, sir?
I love it. I'm ready to be a great token part of this group.
It's great, but it's no Tacoma.
To get your taillights out on a 2015 Tacoma, you're gonna do these 3 bolts right here and then palm that bitch. I mean, right-handed, so this one's more awkward. Jesus. Yay! Yeah, just like that. Okay, so we got it staged. We got the bed stiffener staged. How these are, you have 3 different holes that are going to be new holes through the bed, so we're going to have to drill through them. So we just got it set now. This is why we took the tail lights out. So I'm going to have to go through this side and put one of these and one of these through each one of those holes. Okie dokie. What are you about to do?
I'm gonna spray paint your truck for you.
Right on.
Right on.
What are you about to do? Okay, alright.
Pretty anal about stuff. So I'm gonna try to cover it up as much as I can. No, but... And it's a composite truck. So it probably won't even really rust, but... I don't want it on my conscience.
Holes are drilled. All you gotta do is bolt everything up. And that's all she wrote, I guess. So that'll be the bed stiffeners. We'll show you when it's done, then we'll move on to the rails and the rooftop tent.
You gotta say bye, you're a part of this now. You're my best friend. You're gonna love this when you're watching it. Bye, thanks for coming. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
The last bolt?
Essentially, we gotta put the tail lights back in and then make sure that my tailgate still works. Tailgate works. Nothing got screwed up.
I helped.
Okay. So, these slide in. Okay, I'll slide these in here. I have no idea what I'm doing, so what we'll probably end up doing is trying stuff. We're gonna film it like we know what we're doing, and then if I have to stop and Google something, we'll come back and be like, oh yeah, this is how you do it, America.
Thanks for watching our videos, an inspirational video.
There's gonna be way better videos out there.
No, come to ours for the camaraderie.
Camaraderie.
My Jeep fell apart. I just Loctite everything. I don't don't care if you need to or not.
So you got this little bar that goes in for the CBI rails. Okay, it slides into your channel. You want to take everything out. And then you take one of these. So I guess these are supposed to come with lock washers maybe for some other people. But the count adds up, so we had to add 3 of these because it was bottoming out. I don't know if certain, maybe the 3rd gen's channel's a little deeper or whatever, but this is how we're gonna do mine. So we got the sides in the channel, not tightened up, so they can slide left or right. And now we're gonna take the bars and set them on before we tighten anything down. Make sure it's all good to go, and we'll go from there. Keep working, boy. Okay, so these each take 4 per side, so 8 per rail. I'm just gonna Loctite each one to stage it. Drop it in, and then come back and torque it down later, because you don't want to torque it down right now. Sure, why not? So, what do you think makes the most sense here? Tightening. Okay, America. So, there's been some back and forth with the washers. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to come with lock washers, but mine didn't, if that's the case. So we found some. My good friend Nick helped me out. I'm just finishing that up, lining it all up how I need it. And then we're going to make sure everything's good to go. Everything's kind of staged. Nothing's torqued down yet. What we're going to do next, torque down the ones I'm working on now, aside for the ones that actually go on the bed, on the rails. And then we're going to tighten the bars up last, after we do some measurements to make sure it fits the way I want with the 10 on there and everything. And then we're going to put the 10 on. Okay. So we have the actual rail pieces tightened out. So he's tightening up these guys. We will do what?
Put the 10 on.
Put the 10 on. All right.
I knew it. I'm smart.
Good job,
I went to school.
Good job.
Thanks.
So with the Tacoma, that's pretty much it for the rails as far as the install. You'll have a bunch of these. Washer on each side, locking nut on the other, and then these, you have the rails we showed you earlier that slide in the channel. I tightened these down first, and then we did these last to kind of bring it back together. And now we're about to work on the tent.
10 time.
10 time.
All right, so I don't know how to use a GoPro, so instead of filming us putting it on, I took a picture. But how do you feel? How do you feel right now, sir?
Better when I can open it, but I'm pretty happy with the height so far. That's what I was looking for. It's not going to catch all the wind on the intro state.
It looks good. I like the way it looks.
Okay. Yay! Good!
Beep, 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 beep. All right, you're gonna attempt to open it by yourself for the first time. You fling that, ding! But I don't care about my body.
All right. Gotta start pulling it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think
So the way I do it is I leave one is unlocked up there, and one isn't. So as you pull it out, one will click. How do you feel? It's been a long time coming. It's been the plan for years.
Looks good. Go in here.
Yeah.
Now like this.
It's weird seeing you do a tent.
Hi, America.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib. So let me take you around. This is the dining room. Out here, there's a great view in the winter. It's summer now though, so we won't mess with that. Let's see what he wants.
I'm one of the grounders.
Hey,
Hi, I'm the grounder guy.
he's the help.
You know what Thomas does is he goes to pull and he'll pull the whole ladder out because he's a dummy. He's just a dummy, Bronco boy. I know you'll take better care of her than I did. You're just a professional. It's like you know what you're doing.
I've been watching a few idiots do it from time to time.
Yeah, Thomas is really stupid.
Hey! Hadouken!
You'll have to let me know how it rides and how it, what your gas mileage becomes.
Yeah. That's always the interesting part. Okay. That's all she wrote. That's the install. It's our first shot at it, so bear with us. That was the install of the CBI rails and the Smittybilt rooftop tent on that. We'll see how it works out. I hope this helps someone. Have a good day.
Okay, bye. Oh, hey, watch your head.
Commercial break. 4.
I got it on video.
That sucks. Be able to torque that now. All right, it's time for Google. Okie dokie. Doing all on no Robinson. He don't care. It's all about the Bronco.
What's that from?
Stony Lonesome.
I'm just kidding.
If you don't leave with a dent, you didn't do it right. Nick is tightening.
Hey, can you get that for me? So when there's stuff